Hello everyone, if you're trying to play on FACEIT and you're getting an error message saying incompatible driver detected, I'll show you how to fix it. This is a very common issue on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Just follow along and you'll be back in the game in a few minutes. First, click on Windows, type in Advanced Option, click Enter. Once in Advanced Option, you will see a section there that says Advanced Setup, and you're gonna go ahead and click on Restart Now. Your PC will restart and load into a special blue menu. Don't panic, this is normal. In that section, once your PC is restarted and on that screen, go ahead and click on Troubleshoot, then open up Advanced Options. Now select UEFI, Firmware Settings, and press Restart. Your system will restart again, and this time it will boot directly into the BIOS or UEFI menu. Step 3. Enable Secure Boot inside the BIOS. The layout may look different depending on your motherboard brand, like Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, and ASRock, but the steps are generally the same. Look for a tab called Boot Security or sometimes Advanced. Find Secure Boot option and set it to Enabled. If you see a Secure Boot mode option, make sure it is set to Standard. Take a moment to double check that Secure Boot is fully enabled before moving on. Step 4. Save and exit after enabling Secure Boot. Go to the Exit tab and select Save and Exit. Confirm the changes and restart your PC normally. Once your system boot back into Windows, launch FACEIT, and Secure Boot error should be completely gone. Once your system boot back into Windows, type in system information on your window key and check for your Secure Boot. It should be on. Launch FACEIT as well, and your game should be fixed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.